going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw SpongeBob Squarepants. Let's get into it. So first, I'm drawing the box-like shape of SpongeBob's body, but on the left, you're going to leave a little room for his arm. And then draw the little sleeve and his arm. Now I'm just drawing the eyes, and the left one is overlapping the right one. And then draw his black pupil, and then leave a little space around it for the blue part of his eye. And then on each of the eye, he has 3 black eyelashes. And then you're just going to draw his upper lip that connects to his nose. And then draw his 2 buck teeth. And then finish off the rest of the mouth. Now you're just going to draw his tie and start going into the details of his shirt and pants. And then start making about 5 rectangles for his belt. And then the one on his side is going to be a little slanted. And now finish off his legs and go on to the feet. And don't forget his sock. Circular shapes for the shoes, and then a rectangle shape under it. And now just do the arm on his other side. And there you have it, SpongeBob Squarepants. Let me know what I should do next, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.